Kia ora, Zach.
Kia ora, Tamar.
Welcome back to our Fishy Bits.
I can't believe they let us back again.
I know.
This one's not Fishy Bits.
No, we're back here for SPRAT Summer.
Oh, love a SPRAT summer.
So, what are we going to do for SPRAT Summer today, Zach?
First of all, we're going to look at a fish and how to use all the different parts of it. Today, we've got these beautiful trevally. Do you like a trevally?
Trevally, I think, is highly underrated. What a great fish.
It's an amazing fish. This trevally is caught using the Flomo harvesting system, which is like a new way to trawl, which produces a really high quality fish with a really good shelf life on it, and we're really happy to use that at Moana New Zealand.
We are going to look to use every part of this fish with 3 different recipes, but first that means we need to break it down. I think we get the fillets off it, but then we save this nice belly portion, higher fat content, and we're going to use that in a sort of like a minced up sort of dish.
A tartare?
A tartare.
A tartare.
And
lovely.
then we'll have the frame and the head, which we'll pop in the smoker.
Oh yeah. What about this lovely piece here?
That lovely top fillet, we are going to fry that off. Add some meat to it, make a little surf and turf, but a little bit backward, so we're really gonna let the seafood shine. That's our steak. Take the belly off for a little entree.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm into it. All right, let's get into this guy. So we're just gonna come down through behind the head here, nice and easy, and then come along, down, and you just wanna make sure you run your knife along the backbone. So you can see that the knife's just run along the backbone. So then we want to come through and just take that further.
Right, so just bit by bit, you just do the initial cut first, so then you can keep guiding along the bones.
And then see, we're sort of right on the bones there.
Yeah,
so
lovely.
When we smoke this frame later, we're going to get that lovely meat there between the bones.
You know, it's not your classic white fillet, and it's actually lovely and coloured, which, you know, some people get a bit put off. They think, well, the fish should look perfectly white, but that pink colour's delightful.
I know this is probably not conventional, but I have left all this meat on here. So we've got the whole belly portion on here.
Yeah.
So we're going to smoke this, and we want to be able to use this later.
Yes.
It's going to give us more meat on the frame. These wings, which have the highest fat content out of it, are going to smoke up really nice. Just rinse and repeat on this side. So the same thing, just mark your way down there and then run through against the bones. Come through over the backbone and then out through the edge there. And here you'll see the rib cage. So we're just going to those and then we're just going up and over it. And then just coming through and taking that off. When we look at this tail piece here, we're not really going to get anything out of that. So we're going to take this top piece here, and that's going to be for our steak.
Yep.
This bottom piece here, which is the nice fattier piece, and this tail, that's going to be for our tartare. And then we've got heaps of meat here to make our smoked fish with.
Beautiful.
The wings and everything are going to smoke up really nicely. So we're going to rub this down with brown sugar, salt, and all the good stuff. But while we're waiting to do that, we're just going to finish prepping these 2 over here. So we're going to come down through the center here and take these bones out. As we line this up, just straight down through there, take that off there, because this has got a gristly piece in there, and that's not very nice at all.
Nice.
So here we have our steak, and this has been scaled in advance.
And we're leaving skin on for this as well.
Skin on.
Yeah, because we're going to fry that off in a skillet, and that skin will get lovely and crispy and beautiful. I think it's just like the little extra layer that you've got on the fish for texture.
So is it like the skin on the chicken, more or less?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I love that.
You wouldn't take the skin off your chicken. Why would you take it off your fish?
Here we have the last little bits of the trevally. So we're going to come down and take the skin off there. And the trevally skin is very delicate. So you sort of got to be not too aggressive on it. And you might end up with a little bit of the bloodline here through the center. But also that's kept its bones on it, which is quite nice. For the tartare, I just want to take a little bit of this bloodline out.
Yep.
Got a little bit left, there we go. These little bits here are going to be our scrappy bits. When we look at our whole fish, we've got these 2 lovely pieces here for our tartare, which we're going to cut up nice and fine. But these 2 fillets for our surf and turf, and then we've got our whole fish here for our pasta.
Fantastic. So we're going to smoke that up all of the meat that's nice and close to the bones is just so good for smoking. It's got that flavour, it's got more of the oil in there.
Because we're smoking quite thin pieces, we'll end up with like a nice sort of like chewy texture, like a bacon that you'd put into a pasta. So that's gonna be really nice with that in there.
We can now use up the entire fish.
If you want to, you can just eat it straight off the bones now.
Yeah, all right.
It's quite tasty.
Get a spoon out.
Get a spoon out.
You've outdone yourself there with the prep, Zach, and very excited, so stay tuned for a few more videos and see what we do with the different parts of this whole fish.
I can't wait to see what you do, Tamar. I'm very excited.
Sprat summer.
Sprat summer, baby.